Hey everyone, welcome to AmourFabriQues. If you are new here and you just joined the Etsy shop and you're following me on YouTube and all the other social platforms, I do welcome you and I thank you for following and being a part of this video. You probably wanted to know more about AmourFabriQues and who I am, how the shop has began, and what I do and what my goal is for this platform and what my goal is here for you. So I started this business over 12 years ago. My original goal was to sell products that are not only hard to find, but products that I find from all over the world. Lately, the newest thing for the past 5 years I've entered into the shop has been products of India. For those who want to know what my main goal is for the future, I do want to enter other products from around the world, like of let's say Mexico, or it depends on what's trending. That's definitely where it goes. But products of India, bohemian, boho, hippie, and vintage textiles such as cottage chic, quilting, those things will always trend. So those things I will always have in my shop. So if you do get a chance and you're new here, don't forget down below is a drop-down menu where you can click on other ways to follow me. I mean, there's Facebook, I do Instagram, I don't do Twitter or any of those other things yet. Right now, I'm just getting these other things started. I want to be able to manage without being overwhelmed. Until if I hire help, if I'm willing to allow someone to step in and help me, then I will expand to those other social media outlets. For right now, my main goal is you as my customer and my shop, and making sure that I not only provide you the best vintage products, but to also ship them out on a very good, timely manner. My main goal is for those who are purchasing items from my shop, I want to ship out next day. Now that is pretty hard to do, especially for a business where as big as it's gone for myself, but I make sure, as you can see here, I make sure I keep things stocked. I want to make sure the shelves are filled and ready to go. So if when you order, I actually have the product. I don't want to put a product in the shop that says I have 100 of these items and that I don't. No, my main goal is to make sure that you get the product not only fast, but that it's there and available and it's in beautiful condition for your project. Mainly what I do is I work with people who are creating something. All my things are cut, packaged, and managed for certain products for people who are, say, you're a quilter, you're a drum journaler, you're a slow stitcher, hand stitching, crocheting, all those other things. I want to make sure that these products are ready in a hand for you. Okay, ways to follow me. So down below, like I said earlier, is a drop-down menu, and if you're new to YouTube, you're not quite sure, if you click on this video, you'll see down below is an arrow that drops down. You just click on that. For my older generation of learning computers, or on your phone, however you're doing this, it will have a way to click down, and then it opens up more information about descriptions of this video. Because most of the people who do follow, who are a part of my following, are of an older generation, and that's not a bad thing, but sometimes we're technically inclined. And if you need help down below, or just message in comments here, if you need help, I will go ahead and send those links to you directly. So if you can't find this information, at least write something in the comments down below. Something positive, please, and thank you. We keep things positive here. If it's not positive, I will delete it. I will report you. We only keep things cool and positive here. So beware. I'm giving you a heads up there. Let's see here. All right, my goals for this, I would say my shop or YouTube, is to provide you guys a platform. Since you are watching this on YouTube, it's to provide you a platform not only to follow me in other ways, but for instance, if you follow me in Facebook, you are able to be part of a group. It is a private group, so if you do decide to join the Facebook group, which you can also, like I said, down below is a link to follow it. If not, in the comments, I'll send you it if you can't find it. It's a private group. It will have a few questions to ask you before you can join this group. Some people find that irritating, which is fine. You don't have to join. It is optional. The reason why I have those 3 questions in that questionnaire is so that it provides me safety for my group. Now, my group, like I said, I wanted a positive experience. I want my group members to be able to, when they join, they can share pictures, videos. They can show their Etsy shops or show their product that they sell. And I want them to do it in a way where they're not going to be made fun of. I want people to feel confident to be able to share, say if they're not another business and they are just a simple follower customer, I want them to be able to share post pictures of the project they're doing without feeling scrutiny or some kind of judgment. It is going to be a platform that is respected. Now, part of those questions, those 3 questions I have before you join that group, is there because there's also outside people, like other companies, who like to jump in and then just kind of take over a group. I don't want that. You know, it's my group and it's my members and they can share what they're doing. I don't want another outsider coming in to terrorize and to take over. So it's part of those 3 questions are for me to manage and to see who is coming in. It's almost like, for instance, your home, and I'll give you a good example and I'll move on to the next thing, is my home. I allow who comes in my doors. I allow what comes in, good, bad, ugly, you know, it's the same thing. So the Facebook group is provided that way to safety not only for myself, but for the people who are there. I want to protect them. All right, custom order experience. This is something that is not new that I do, but it is something new that I'm offering on YouTube. For those who are new, finally new people in my shop who's watching this video for the very first time, or say my original customers I've had for the past 12 years, or say you're new on YouTube and you finally found me, this is a whole new experience. I've done this for years, but I've done it privately for my customers, my customer base that I've had. But now I'm presenting it not only to all my customers, but to the platform here on YouTube. So a custom order experience, what it is. So I have a platform which is called StreamYard that I use. And I would, if you have a phone or if you have a computer, which is awesome, which most people do, I send you a link and you click on this link. You could either be seen or not be seen. It is going to be totally an option that you choose when you follow the steps to join into this live StreamYard experience. Now, when I say live, it's live, but it's private. Live meaning it's you and I. It's as if you walked in the door of my shop kind of experience, but you're doing it on your phone at the convenience of your own home, which is awesome, right? You don't have to drive here or fly here to Florida to come see me and enjoy some of the products on the shelves or have questions about what you're doing. So why I'm introducing this is because it gives my customers an experience that not only they can see what they get before they get it, to see if the product works for their project, to customize if these certain colors that they're wanting matches their project, to customize an order that I provide what they're needing, not only in the cut, I've written this down so I don't forget, but not only the cut, the quantity, plus I can introduce each other, we can meet each other, I get to know you, and then help you in the future kind of thing. Because a lot of these products that I do have, a lot of people buy because it's so beautiful, right? It's products from all over the world, it's vintage, nothing is new here. And it's the bling gets you, or the cottage chic, beautiful textures of the hand-stitched items just, scream, I need you. And you purchase it, and then you have it, and you're at home, and you're like, what do I do next? So at least I can be able to, if I can't teach you what you can do with it, I know a lot of people, a lot of platforms that I can at least help guide you to them. So in this custom order, it's not just purchasing products, but it also is a sit down where I'll block out an hour of my time. I have a calendar that I've opened up for the month, and so every month I'll take on however many people I have for custom orders, and I'll block out that time every day, and I'll set that up with you. So it gives me a chance to help you, get to know you, tell you about the product, if not, you using it or not using it, guide you. I'm one crafter, one person who can help in some way I can. And plus, like I said, I get to know you. I miss the good old days. I know a lot of times, a lot of shopping is online. And I know that that's where everything's pretty much going to. At least this gives me a chance to not only you can shop online or have the experience online, but yet you can see it live, you know, and you can, it's almost so you can touch it kind of thing. At least I can show it to you close, you know, and I can see your video if you want to show yourself from your phone on your end or your computer on your end, and you can show me what you have, and we can do our best to match whatever. It just helps relieve a lot of stress. I know a lot of people with their projects. Enough said there. Comment down below what you would like when I do that. My goal is obviously customer happiness, and it gives me a chance to help you in any way I can. If I can't do it, at least I can guide you in the right direction, right? And I want you to have the in-store experience. I can at least provide that in my time, in my day, every day. So if you're interested in that, comment down below. Or there's ways to, obviously, you can find me and message me if it's not commenting down below. But it's an experience that I am finally, after all these years, now that the shop build is finally here, my cameras are set up, my lighting's finally in place, I can easily do a custom order one-on-one experience without any interruptions and big fans in a warehouse going off or what have you. So I'm super excited to finally offer that, but publicly this time and not just a certain handful of customers. So I'm excited. So far as the custom order experience, I have questions where people have asked, how does that work? Now, do I do an invoice through Etsy or do I do an invoice on another platform? Well, that experience I'm totally going to leave up to you. Obviously, if you're comfortable doing a payment invoice through Etsy, set it up through Etsy. Obviously, if I did an invoice through PayPal, it does help benefit me more. And it's insured just like Etsy is. PayPal invoices, as long as I create an invoice and not friends and family, it wouldn't be never be that. It would be an invoice through PayPal, which they do obviously take a fee for me. But I still make more money than what Etsy takes from all the fees. So I'm going to leave that. Obviously, that is up to you as a customer, whatever you're comfortable with. So those are the two options I do offer. I do not do cash. I do not do checks or any of those other things. No other payment platforms. It'd be either those two items, those two platforms, no other platforms. So you know a heads up. My goals for not only my shop, but for my YouTube platform and experience for my customers or my followers. So my main goal is not only to give you guys an online experience, but an in-shop experience where I eventually, for those who know, I haven't opened the doors to the shop I have here in Florida that I'm building. Those doors are not open yet, but I want to give you, when they do, I want to give you the online experience. I want you to have an in-store shop experience if you're in this area. And obviously, I want you to have an online experience that is face-to-face live, to where, say, you cannot travel and say you're homebound or you don't want to go anywhere, but you want to shop online, but yet you do want to see it. You have questions. You want to be able to talk to me, not to be able to message me back and forth on Etsy or any of these other platforms. That's my goal. So a part of that goal and my new direction is that I have an email list. So down below, you guys are going to get a link. And if that link's not there yet, because it is new, I'm working on it, and I have Holly and a family member helping me get this set up. It will be an email list where it'll give you an experience to where you opt in to get emails. I cannot just simply email you or take your email and just email you. I want to give you the choice and opportunity to click on that and say, yes, send me emails. Now, by doing that, which is an amazing experience because it's going to be something new, I know a lot of people are concerned and afraid to give out their emails. Understandably, with the world that we have today, all these scammers. But our shop will also have in that to where we will not share your email and all that stuff. So that will be in there for you guys. But the email experience is going to be nice is because I not only can know your birthday to where I can send you things for your birthday announcements. It'll be newsletters to what's new. So you could get the first information before it's posted on the internet. Things I do, say if it's Goodwill bins or if it's the new stock that just came in the shop or the new product release. It would give you the first hands-on for that, which is nice. And giveaways. So the giveaways are coming back for those who missed the good old days when Salena used to give away sewing machines. Gosh, it feels like that's been years. So much has happened. So that will also be a part of the how to get hands-on and knowing when those things pop up and how to be part of it. So click on that link, guys, sign up for the email log, and then I can be able to give you more information and you get the constant newsletters. Now, if you don't like that, don't opt in. It's totally an option up to you. Everybody's different. Some people like coupons. That's one way to get coupons. And some people like all those kind of things. Some people want to know when I'm going to release something before it releases. That is a way to learn. So down below, don't forget to click on that and be part of it. So, all right, this part is for those who are new to my shop. Just maybe just first purchase. Or maybe you purchased many things from me. Or you're just someone who just jumped onto YouTube for the first time and said, I like this lady and I'm going to follow her. Which which I hope you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, right? So shop policy. This is something that I not only have in my shop for you. Say if you purchase product from me, it could be anything. It doesn't matter what it is. It's all vintage. And so I do accept returns. So I do have a return policy to where up to 7 days after you do obtain the product, say you're not happy, it doesn't work for your project, you don't like the colors, you didn't realize silk is this way, or it doesn't matter what it is. You have 7 days to reach out to me. And in that 7 days, you're like, hey, Salena, I'm returning this product. Sure. I'll go ahead and shoot you the return address and you return the product. Now the shipping cost would be on you. Now say you do get the product and in the mail process, your product got damaged. It got ruined, or it wasn't the right quantity, or let's see what some other ideas. Say there's an issue with the order pretty much. Gosh, Salena, the threading is a mess, whatever, which is so rare. But if there's an issue with your product, it's not as described, something happened, like Salena, help me, we'll issue you guys an instant printable return label. So instantly after I hear that, I'm like, oh my gosh, return this, but I don't want you to have to pay for the return fees. I will send you an instant printable return label. It is something I offer. It is not an Etsy thing. It is something I've been doing for years. I only do that for customers who have an issue with your order. Now again, like I said, I do have return policy, return exchange policy, same thing, 7 days. Within that 7 day range, let me know. Now the same thing applies to damaged or issues to your order. Say you reach out to me a month after you have your order, right? And you're like, Salena, there's something wrong with my order. I'm sorry. No, that same 7 days apply to you, because a month from getting your order, you then come to reach out to me and say, there's something wrong with this order. I need an instant printable return label. It's not going to happen. So again, those two return problems, either way, you have 7 days to reach out to me. After that, it is void. Now, all this information is in the listing. Say if you purchase something in the shop, every listing, that is in there for you. Now, it is up to you as a customer to always reach out to me before you purchase a product. Say you're just uncertain. You are working on a project and you want to make sure it is totally multicolored and you want to see it before you buy it. Reach out to me. I will simply send you, I'll open up a pack or two. I'll even make you a custom order to make sure it is perfect for you before you purchase. Because I want to make sure you're happy before you even receive the product. Because the last thing I want is to do returns or have bad reviews or you unhappy. So I'd rather you know what you got before you get it. And that's an option. Always reach out to me if there's something wrong. Or if there's a question before you want to purchase. Because that's what I'm here for. That's my goal. This is what I do for you. So that is available. All that information is available to you. A simple message. Communication is everything. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is something I've been meaning to make for quite some time. And now it helps not only you who are new to my Etsy shop, or existing followers from the past 12 years, or someone new who just jumped on YouTube and said, that chick is cool and I want to follow her. So I am so grateful that you took the time. If you watched the video to this point, I am grateful. And all in all, if you're a customer, I am very grateful for you guys, because it's you guys who make all this happen, who've made me happen, who made this shop run at a 5-star experience, on time shipping. I'm just so blessed. It is you guys who make all this happen. And I'm really grateful. I am living the dream. And I'm glad that I'm able to be part of not only your lives, but your projects and your creations and all those things that I've sent out to you makes all those beautiful things. I wish I could just have a video where I can just show everything you guys make, just all the pop-ups of this product, this person made this. Because it is just amazing the beautiful things you guys create. And I'm glad and blessed that I'm a part of it. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Until the next video, I am so excited to see what more is going to happen here. And thanks for following AmourFabriQues.